Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you ngx Translator. So friends, before starting, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest ngx updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, now on my screen you can see ngx is working fine with one drop down having two options English and French. And here is some text and default hello world. So friends, when I will select French, then this hello world text will change into French language. And when I will select English, then it will be same hello world. So friends, now I'm going to show you working example. Now I'm going to select French option. See friends, text has been changed. Bonjour, le monde. And again English. Hello world. See friends, Anglo 10 translator is working fine on change select option. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link very soon, maybe tomorrow morning, so you can get the code easily. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or new requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside the video description. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.